when we take ourselves out of the equation, it gives a child freedom and choice. So they decide what to play. There is an intrinsic motivation. Sila pipili. Minsan may mga ibang bata na they're comfortable climbing a tree. Pero may mga ibang bata na takot pa. So, you know, when they're motivated, mas tumatatak yung learning sa mga bata. And then when they're given choice or freedom, then mas na-establish yung independence sa kanila. Because they get the feeling na, I can do this myself. Oo. Kasi if it's all, you know, overly, ito ang gagawin natin. Bring out your pencil, let us draw a circle. If it's too structured, then we also take out or remove the chance for their creativity to develop. They know their child na timid. Mahiyain yung anak ko, ganyan. Tapos, magja-join ng forest school. And then, magugulat sila, parang nagbagong anyo yung anak nila. Na parang, wait, akala ko ba mahiyain ka? Akala ko ba timid ka? Then, how come, yung sociable ka na, ba't parang madali ka nang mag-approach ng ibang tao? Or bakit comfortable ka outdoors? So, you know, that one, I don't even have an answer to that kasi I didn't do anything special. But I guess the fact that the kids are outdoors, out in nature, there's something therapeutic about it. Or probably just, you know, having the space and yung concept na I am free. You know, I'm not boxed in a room. I can do anything.